Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions of the Live Tinted Hueglow and the Unity Balm Gloss. Here I have the Hueglow in the shade Dusk and I have the Unity Balm Gloss. In addition to these products, I'm also going to be trying out two new shades of Huesticks. I already own a few, so I'm just adding these to my collection really. The shades that I'll be trying out today are Grounded and True. Grounded is this brown color and True is a bit of a mauve pinkish kind of cool tone shade. And let's get right into the application. I've been so excited and so curious about the Hueglow, so we're going to start with that. So it is described as it's a new way to highlight your skin. On the website, it says that you can wear it under or over or like mix in with your makeup and all of that. So bare skin, just bare. I want to see how this works, you know, if on a day I don't want to wear makeup, but I feel like I want to glow to the gods. Okay, let's see. It's not runny, so that's nice. Ooh, it's gorgeously shimmery. I love it. You know, I feel like highlighters generally look a little chunky when it comes to the glitter and the shimmer. This does not have that. Okay, why am I struggling to close this? Just gonna add it to where I would normally apply my highlight. Okay, I do love the glow it's added. Honestly, on camera, it looks, I look naturally glowy or something, but in person, it has a very lightweight shimmer to it. My only issue with the product is that it seems a little dark for a highlighter for my skin tone. And I thought, you know, Dawn would be too pink for me, so I took this. But when I blend it out, I do like how glowy it looks. Just easily dewy and glowy, which is really nice. Without any makeup, any base, just wearing the Hueglow, this is what I look like. Personally, I think this is all the struggles and the trauma of already having oily skin. I am not in love with this product because, I don't know, this is not that highlight shine. This is just a dewy glowiness, which is not something I ever look for in makeup, just because I know my skin's gonna give it to me in like an hour or two. This is what we're looking like right now. I want to try the Unity Balm Gloss and see what's the deal with that. Right off the bat, I am obsessed with this packaging. The color is just so elegant and simple and gorgeous. So I do think that it is pretty moisturizing. It's not too thick. You know how when you apply Vaseline, it gives you this very thick, uncomfortable feeling? It does not have that. So it's pretty comfortable to apply. I can see how this is a total vibe. Like, people were into it, into the whole natural skin glow for a while there. So I can see this product working for someone with drier skin and that really likes this glowy look. For me personally, this is not the aesthetic I go for when I'm applying makeup. I'm always generally a very matte and then I add on my highlight kind of a girl. So in that sense, I am not sure how much I would be using this over my makeup. But I would say though, although it looks shiny and glowy and shimmery, it doesn't feel icky on the skin. It feels really nice. It absorbed into your skin pretty quickly. So I really, really like that about it. I did also see that this product works as a primer. So what I'm going to do is apply it all over my face and do my rest of my face makeup and come back to you guys and try out the Huesticks that I got. Also, if I didn't mention already, I'm obsessed with their packaging. All of their packaging is just so like streamlined and pretty and simple, and I don't know why I'm obsessed. See, it's a little too dark to truly be a highlight for me, and that is something I wish I had thought through. But let's see if I like this as like a primer. It definitely has a texture and a consistency that I am not familiar with, not accustomed to. It's definitely not like any of my other primers. I would say that the consistency is somewhere in between a primer and a moisturizer. So that is strange. Not in a bad way at all. It's just interesting. It's definitely giving me normal glowy skin, like freshly moisturized glowy skin, I'm going to go ahead and apply face makeup, but I'm not going to do a full coverage foundation or anything. I'm just going to apply concealer where I need it and contour a little, and I will be right back with you guys. All right, here I am. I have concealer on, I have contoured, and I've put on some eyebrows. The one thing I'll tell you guys is that I am really surprised at how much I'm liking the Unity Balm Gloss, whatever. It's really sitting very comfortably on my lips, and it's giving a really nice amount of shine. And normally I get really uncomfortable having anything on my lips when I'm doing my concealer and foundation or whatever it is, but this just sat there really well. I love the consistency. It was something that I didn't even actually want to buy. I just was like, I just threw it in there because of the deal that was available, but somehow it's turned out to be my favorite product so far. Okay, I've tried 2 products. It doesn't really count. But what I really want to say is I do like the glow that's coming through the concealer that I have on my face and like my contour and everything. It does look like my makeup has a glowy finish and I look very natural almost. Although I have put on concealer and powdered my face and I'm wearing a powder contour. So that is really nice. I kind of like that. Although, like I said before, it's not really what I go for normally. I do like it right now. So let's take a look at both the Huesticks that I have. I'm so excited to add these to my collection. I thought that Grounded would work really well like a lip liner when I'm trying to wear fun nude colors. And normally just adding a brown lipstick just makes everything look just a little bit more cohesive and, it works. So I'm just going to wipe off the balm to give this product a fair shot. Okay, this is Grounded on my lip. Honestly, I get that it's too close to my skin tone to really do anything for me because it's not really a good lip color, which would make it a really good lip liner color. You know what I mean? Let's try on True. Let's see how True looks on my lips. See, that just looks chalky on me and weird and washes me out. I look like a corpse. I'm thinking I add Grounded around as a lip liner and see how that works. Okay, this may not be the ideal solution, but I do think that it makes True look so much better. I do see an occasion where I would like this combination, but on camera especially, I know that I'm looking super washed out. But it doesn't look as chalky and weird anymore, so that's where this comes to play. Grounded comes to play. Do you want to say hi? Hi! I'm going to apply True as a blush. I prefer picking up the product on my sponge because it just blends so much better in my opinion. Okay, I do like it as a blush. That's what I'm thinking. I do like True as a blush. Now I think I'm just going to add a little bit more of the Hueglow as a highlighter. Just a little. Oh, I also do want to try True and Grounded as eyeshadows. I'm going to apply True all over my lid and then apply Grounded to the outer corner. Just blend it out a little. Now I'm going to add Grounded just to the outer corner to add a little depth. I'm going to take a little bit of brown eyeshadow and just buff out the edges and like set the crease a little bit. I'm just going to apply some to my lower lash line and buff it out. Okay, seriously, Grounded is just like a cool tone version of my skin tone. It's weird. Okay, this is my finished look with 2 of the Huesticks, the Dusk Hueglow, and I'm not actually wearing the Unity Balm Gloss right now, but what I would say is that I was honestly very surprised by the Unity Balm Gloss. It wasn't a product I was expecting to like. I just thought it was going to be like an overpriced version of Vaseline, which it kind of still is. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna want to fork out $20, $20 on 0.5 fluid ounces of lip balm. Like, yes, it's nice and all, but I don't think it's worth my money. If you have the dough, go for it, spend it, like whatever. On the other hand, as per usual, I love the Huesticks formula. Nothing has changed about the formula of the Huestick from the originals. And I love how it blends out as a blush and it goes pretty smoothly on the eyes. Yes, I have a little bit of a creasing problem, but honestly, that is me and not necessarily the product. So essentially, the Huestick is still a win as per usual. And I know my lip combination is looking like kind of dull on camera, but I'm into it. I like it. I can't wait to try ground it with the rest of my Huesticks and see what I can come up with. But I am really enjoying this. The Hueglow, honestly, it's giving me aesthetics that I aspire to. It's giving me this natural, soft glow vibe, which I'm really digging. It's not like out there in your face kind of highlight, obviously, because it's not really a full-blown highlighter. I loved the consistency. I loved how quickly it absorbed into my skin. Like right now, I applied more over here and it doesn't feel like it. And it's not set. As you can tell, it didn't set and dry up either. It's just comfortable on my skin. I feel like all the other liquid highlighters I've tried, like as soon as you apply it, it sets into your skin and dries. This doesn't do that. So that is really nice. But it also gives you like very minimal shine. It's just a glow. And I love that about it. I think it's a better product for someone with drier skin. I don't know if the Hueglow is for someone with oily, crazy oily skin like me. I'm really looking forward to see what else Lip Tinted can come up with because I like these products. The thing about Lip Tinted products is that the products are designed to enhance your beauty. They're not designed to hide anything. They're not designed to just change yourself. It's just designed to make you look like an upgraded, better version of yourself instead of like changing too much and making too many edits. That was a very weird way to put it. The only other brand that I can think of that functions with the same concept is Glossier. And that's just the way it is for these brands, and I really appreciate that. Well, I want to know what you guys think about the products, or if you want to try them now, just comment down below and let me know. I'm very curious. And I would also really like to know what you thought about how these products look on me. Please feel free to critique, comment, just share your thoughts down below. It was really fun to try out these products, and till I see you guys in my next video, goodbye.